Hello. Hi, everyone.
Hi, sir.
Hi. My voice is reaching?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, so, in the last class, we have touched a few of the rules of designing, and from that point, we'll be continuing here. So, the review of the last class on your screen. You can also find an Excel sheet where a few rules of the designing has been mentioned, like symmetric, asymmetric, biaxial, symmetric, and radial. These four rules we have discussed in the last class. And the consequence result on your screen to get a review of the last class and refresh. So I'm taking a new canvas in Paint to make a refresh of all things. The symmetric design is basically to have both side equal design. So human body is an example of symmetric format. Biaxial, asymmetric design is both side but not equal. But biaxial symmetric is like left, right, up and down, everywhere the same. So this is what in the last class we have done majorly. And the final one, we got to know like the radial design, which is having any particular design repeatedly arranged from a particular center point with equal interval of distance, it turn into a radial art. So we can now to summarize the things of the rules. Basically, the fundamental rule of design is divided into two types. One is number based. Second is, so just number base, then emotion base. In the number base, we again divided it into two parts. One is 2 number, 4 number, and multi number. Inside the 2 number, we can divide it again into two parts: symmetric and asymmetric. In 4 number sided design, this is biaxial symmetric, and in multi designing side, radial. So till now, what are the things we have learned in the last class? It is number based, but henceforth, what are the things we are going to learn that is more into the emotional base. So we need to involve more to understand the things. Fundamental rule of design helps to make the artist to make the skeleton strong. Fundamental rules of designing. The reason of writing things, we can search in the net with this tagline: fundamental rule of designing. You can find a lot of history which makes your designing side to be get strength. Now the emotional case here on screen, you can find few rules: unity, simplicity, emphasize, abstract, rhythm, and balance. We'll be discussing all these things with the example, and from the example we can take a conclusion how it is going to help. If we maintain this rule, then the design will be nice. Let us start with unity. And we can able to understand the unity through example. The reason of speaking all the things, once we are starting up any graphic designing, one visiting card, browser, leaflet, anything, this rule will be implemented there, knowingly or unknowingly. Let's go for unity. What does it mean? Going together. Let us take an example. A kid standing with a balloon on the roadside, and another kid is standing with 10 balloons. Where the eye goes, obviously it catches 10 balloons first. This is what the concept of unity. Unity is working here, and people eye can be catched through united design. So what is the implementation on the designing side? Designers should know how to get unite the elements. the designer may do the alignment as a unity or the color as a unity, but unity to be maintained in one or the other way. So let us see the example on screen. Visiting card. These are the things which is not there inside the software. Artists need to think. Sometimes he thinks and do. Sometimes he has trained and he will put the rules. So here you can able to see, if the design is looking beautiful, then there is something which is making it beautiful. What the designer has done, he has arranged the things proper. Here the alignment is a unity factor. Alignment is a unity factor on a simple visiting card. Now we are learning what is the rule, how to implement the rules. Catch to the next. Sometimes some of the artists are very clever. They start up making the unity on the backdrop color. Can you see? A lot of randomness are there. Still everything is under one umbrella, that is called the cyan color or blue color. Here the artist is trying to make a unity through the help of your colors. Here you have seen the artist is trying to make a unity through the help of a alignment. So what we got to know, make the elements in such a manner that they look united. It is a rule of designing, but how cleverly the artist is mastering on that, it depends on him. It is not in the software. Hope we got to know what is called unity and how it affects. Unity can be created by the artist with the help of alignment. Alignment means what? Getting arranged the edges proper. Unity can be done by the help of colors, by the help of your size, by the help of your shapes. So these are the screen language which is to be learned by the artist. It is not inside the software. If artists know how to handle these technical things, then in any software design can be done up. Doesn't require Photoshop. In MS Word or PowerPoint also you can have to make. And exactly it will come out the same. So software doesn't matter. Backend 70% knowledge required on this theoretical thing, which makes your salary to grow high. That's why we are taking a little care on this. But it is not a one day things to get cover. So it's a ocean, but it is just a window what is to be learned further. Alignment can be taken as a unity, color can be taken as a unity, size can be taken as a unity, or shape can be taken as a unity. But what is the task to be done up? Search in the net, how does LG company make unity? LG posters. Start finding out corporate company, branded companies, how they make unity in their posters. If it is something, then the artists are highly paid. They are minimum paid with 50 to 60,000 rupees minimum. I'm speaking of in lakhs they are getting. The artist is not arranging the things, he is putting the rules on the back end. So what is the rule he has put in? Yes, color is a unit on the back. Here you can see LG is circular in format. The shape is circle. Here he is using a circle. Here he is using a circle. So you can find out he's taking a lot of circles to get errands on your screens. For a designer, the screen is a place of like analysis. The faster we understand how to analyze, now you can see here. For the public, there is a girl here, there is a boy here, there is a freeze here. But for a designer, there is no girl, no freeze, no human being, only the vertical lines are there. If we can able to see this, then the approach will be different. So like obviously it is a painful things. I do understand by making a girl to see on your screen and you are asking it is a stick, how to get the brain to be adjust. That is a difficult part in the initial stage. But as a designer, this is to be find it out. What is there on the screen? The unity is created by the shapes. Vertical shapes are there. Is it okay? So start up finding out any poster, film poster, just to make you know how does the backend rules are working on the screen. So if something is looking beautiful, then there is somewhere the artist is using the rule knowingly or unknowingly. So you can find single colored design. A lot of variations are there, character are there, and fonts are there, but it is single tint. The tint is taken as a unity factor here. Hope you can able to understand what is this rule and what is the importance of the rule. So we have given few examples. It is not like a number game. We cannot able to show like 2 side or 4 side, but it is a emotional factor. So we need to understand through various example. After understanding how to use that in our design, that depends. And this is what the exercise which is to be done in graphic designing. Graphic designing makes a lot the analysis of the artist. Artists who know how to analyze the things, they make the wonders. So on every thing you can find, there is a unity factor which is working. What is that unit factor? That to be find out. Fine. So we got to know what is called unity and how it is working. If it is maintained, how it looks. If not, what will be the consequence result. Hope this option we have understood. Now switching to the next one. Before moving to the next rule, the ultimate goal of a designer is to create a contrast. Now I'm using a technical terms, contrast. The goal of a designer is not to show the design on the screen. It is to show the message through the contrast factor. So what is contrast? Eye readability. Eye readability. So you are trying to create a contrast. Ultimately, the contrast makes the other person to see the things proper. Now you can see here, if I'm writing something in white color, can you able to see? No. Why we cannot able to see? Because this is zero contrast. But the time we are writing in black, we can able to see because it is creating 100% contrast. This contrast is a game which is to be created by the artist. And contrast can be created by the size, by the shape, by the color, by any format, by the position. But ultimately, we need to create a contrast. If these particular things we have mastered, then no software required. Anything you can able to make a design. If you're master on creating the contrast, yes, it catches the eye and it pass the message. So here, let us see how does these people are creating the contrast. Can you see here what it looks? A character is there and some alphabet has been written. It is for the public, but you are not public. You are an artist. Start finding out what is the contrast inside it. Fine. There are contrast, light contrast. Can you see dark untundi ante back side lo light pettindi. What is this contrast? Is called light contrast. Then what is done? You can able to find it out. There is a triangle and there is a rectangle. Shape contrast. ఆ పోస్టర్ చూసిన టైంలో మన బ్రెయిన్ మీద ఈ ఐడియా రావాలా, ఇది కనపడుతుందా లేదా అది చెక్ చేయాలి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ టు బి గెట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్, డస్ ద ఐ ఈస్ క్యాచింగ్ దిస్ షేప్ ఆర్ నాట్. సో కెన్ యూ ఫైండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ది shape he has created. He is trying to create this shape, but for the public it is looking like this, but for the artist he is creating this. It is a contrast creating game. In every poster there is a contrast in one or the other format. The faster you understand, the better you can able to implement. What I understood from 15 years, that's I'm passing up, and it is not starter cannot able to catch it up faster. Professionals understand what is the contrast game. So what is the contrast here? Vertical line, horizontal line. So this is the poster, and what is the contrast? Finish. This is the poster. He's trying to like impact this particular line in the brain of the audience, and this is a contrast line which makes the audience to understand the pose. So this is what he's creating. Hope you can able to connect yourself to this concept of contrast. Is this one like here? Size, say position contrast, color contrast, shape contrast, size contrast, light contrast. This contrast has to be generated. Yes, I do understand a little strain, but you can able to analyze these things, how it is going to help us, but not to make you strain, but to give you the information. Just I pause it and created a new concept of contrast. Fine then. So nothing to get worried. Everything is there as a math. So we have understood the unity and a new terminology called contrast, and we'll move to the next rule, that is called simplicity. It is the biggest rule of all the design rules. Simplicity catches the eye much more faster. Icons, symbols, buttons are all the example of simplicity. Simplicity. The biggest rule of the design. The more complex things, if spoke in a very simpler format, then people understand it very easily. That's why you'll find symbols, icon, logo, all these things are the example of simplicity. The faster we know how to convert a concept into a symbol, that much of efficiency we do have inside the designing world. Mobile design, icons, gaming, website, everywhere you'll be asked to make symbols. And symbols are the biggest example of the simplicity. And how it catches the eye, we can take some examples and we understood. On the roadside, traffic signal, only few lights. It catches the eye much more faster. From a long distance, people stops. There is no hooding, nothing. Only few colors, people understand the message. This is the job role of a designer, like how fastly and how cleverly he can able to make all the complex thing into a very simple format. So I've just taken few examples, but yes, it is very practical. Let us see some examples in a practical case. The simplicity is there in your visiting card. It is there in your 10-20 feet hooding on the roadside. Let us take some examples. We are not going to like point out any company, but to understand, like as a designer, what is the concept of the simplicity. Let us take a visiting card first. If you are providing two visiting card of two companies, one is corporate, another is non-corporate, we can have to see and tell like which is corporate and which is non-corporate. Corporate always maintain few lines, simplicity is maintained by the corporate. On corporate doesn't maintain all these things, multicolored, bold letters, advertisement, everything pack up. He kills the factor. But this is also business, this is also business, that also sells in the market, this also sells in the market. That is not the case. Here people understand this language, they speak in this language. If somebody asks you to do this, you need to do this. As a designer, you need to know like what is called rule, what is not the rule. But client asks to do this, yes, we need to do because customer is God. So hope we have understood what is called simplicity in a small visiting card. But let us see in a very big hoarding, like 20 feet hoarding on the roadside. Tanishq, a diamond showroom, burning the inner glow, finish, per day 5,000 rupees rental charge. How simple the ad. The counter, any like dress material showroom, you can find all these things, XYZ name. This is also ad, this is also ad. A person riding with a bike in 50 km speed, on a single look, he can able to understand this. So you can understand like how simplicity work on the road. And the faster we understand this, the better you can able to implement. This is a window, what is to be learned. It is not the complete class. So it is a 1 month course, like 2 month course on the rules. But this is to be learned. That is what before entering into any designing course. Even the designing course, this knowledge will help you out to make the design, which is not in the syllabus. Okay, fine. But you start up collecting all these things from the net. Let us switch to the next rule, emphasize, focus to the target. What to make that should be dominant on the screen. Next rule, emphasize. Just check the spell in the net, but the goal of here, focus to the target. जिसके लिए आप डिजाइन बना रहे हो वो हाईलाइट रहना चाहिए डिजाइन के अंदर. उसके अलावा अगर बाकी सब है तो डिजाइन फेल्ड. And software doesn't speak how to make emphasize. It is to be spoke from your brain. 70% things are done in the brain. Only 30% is the software. If this 70 okay, this 30% will make the magic. Or else through this 30% you can get a job. Getting job is not the criteria. The rest is the magic when your salary is into the next level. And that comes from this. And here this will help you out. Fine then. So let us see the exercise emphasize or the rule emphasize and understand how to maintain this. We can understand through example. Let us take an example. You are the owner of a showroom and you came to us as if like I'm a designer sitting over here, and you have asked me to get a poster designing for 50% off. So generally what happens, people start up taking the showroom name, phone number, address, and a celebrity wearing the dress and 50% off. So what happened now, if this particular poster startup, you have tell okay as a designer, then it will go for 1 lakh print. Now the customer didn't return to the showroom. What happens in this poster? The celebrity get highlighted. If people want to see the celebrity, they need to go to theater. They will not come to the showroom. This is the problem happens here. Now to get rid of this problem, the other artist is trying in a different manner. The same poster, same wavelength, but 50% off on the top. Focus to the target. Why to make the design that should be dominant on the screen. But how to dominate? The size may be a factor. The position may be a factor. The color may be a factor, or the angle may be a factor. So here you can see like the contrast is created by the position, color, and angle. And it is to be maintained by the artist. Hope you have understood what is emphasized and what is the importance of it. And let us see some example on the screen. Big Bazaar. 50% off. Now check to the screen like how cleverly the designer has planned it up. What he has done? Size as a factor. 50% off. Size factor. Now here onto the screen, maybe like he's creating the position, he's giving this much of space for the 60% off. Though it is dominated, still he's giving the position more to this off. See, here the shape is a factor. Shape contrast. Size contrast. Somewhere you may find like angle as a contrast. Slanting. Angle contrast. Hope we have understood like what is emphasize means and how to generate the emphasize and how people start up generating the emphasize in one or the other way. Fine, then this is one of the factor to be get maintained while making the design. Does it okay? Anywhere you need to speak me something, then yes, you can add up the thing. So because it is a new technology we are working now and it needs everybody's supports. What are the things I know? I'm just passing it out in my own way. Fine, then let's move to the next rule, abstract. All these informations are there in the net. Just only patience required. Copy this, paste in a net, search for this word, find the informations, gather it up. No need to read, just collect the things. It is a 1.5 year course. So you cannot able to read and understand everything. Find the next, abstract. Breaking all the rules is a rule. It is one of the biggest rule. Abstract design. Abstract means what? Any design which does not resemble any man-made or nature-made product. Any man-made or nature-made product. Nature-made. आदमी बनाया हुआ कोई भी चीज या कुदरत बनाया कोई भी चीज से लेना देना नहीं है. वैसे अगर डिजाइन है तो abstract डिजाइन हुई. ఏదొంచి డిజైన్ దేవుడు తయారు చేసిన లేదంటే మనుషులు తయారు చేసిన డిజైన్ కి సిమిలారిటీ ఉండదు. అట్లనే డిజైన్ కి abstract డిజైన్ చెప్తారు. What is that, sir? Which is not done by human body or it is not done by the nature. Let us take an example like human being. It is done by the nature, or God has created, not by nature made or God made. Man made means what? Like computer, freeze, ila undodu. That type of design are called abstract designs. Let us take an example and understand the things better. This is one of the beauty rule. Breaking all the things, if you do mistake also, that sells in the market. Let us see how does abstract design looks like. If you can able to see on your screen, a random color throw has been happened. This sells in the market with a higher price. Nothing is there which is not created by the human being or the nature, but it sells in the market with a higher price. What is the conclusion? तो conclusion क्या है? कोई भी डिजाइन बना सकता है. It is fact. It is a rule. You might have heard the name like M.F. Hussain, the greatest artist of India, abstract painting. Colors are randomly thrown in the market. In every poster, you'll find abstract designing. Film posters. So check film poster. In every poster, you'll find smoke, dust, fire, flint. Ee mide maatrame hero untundi. Hero will be always there in the smoke. And it is not inside the photo studio poster. The randomness they are controlling. Light, fire, flint, dust, smoke. It creates a random shape. And that random is beauty. That is natural. Forces are there. Gravity, wind, friction, everything is captured over here. That makes the random, and random is beauty. So you can able to find it out. The backdrop is abstract. Smoke is there, dust is there, flint, fire. The shapes are very randomly they are placing, and it makes the beauty. And it is not a thing of design somebody has done. It is a rule of designing, and you can find in almost every posters. Abstract is a rule. So we got to know how does the abstract painting look like, how people are clever to use them in the poster, and what make the poster to looks beauty. So you can crack. Randomly it breaks the things. And that randomness he's putting, it is not the glass. It is the abstract. He's trying to catch the eye through the abstract. So hope we have understood a rule called abstract. Let us take an example like everything is okay, sir, fine, but how to earn 10 rupees, tell me, sir, out of this. Am I right? No, this is a vital question. सब कुछ अच्छा है, पर लोग मार्केट में 10 रुपया कैसे इनकम करते हैं? Abstract बेच के बताओ सर. Fine. So let us take an example here. Greeting card making is a very clever technique. Paper greeting card people are making through the colors dipping up. So they take a color tray with water and they put some drop of oil color. So what happens? The oil color spread randomly. We take a white paper and dip it up in a flat manner and get it out. So you'll find the oil color go in a random manner. It sells the same 1 rupees paper in 10 rupees. 10 times the costing get rise. It is texture, that all the textures are made in this way, all like greeting cards, randomness. So what is there inside the screen? Abstract. It changed the value of the paper. That means what we got to know, anybody can able to make the design. Only patience required and implementation and experiments. And this field required a hardcore patience level. No qualification, no more big science, rocket science here. What I understood from the experience, patience is must and involvement must. No education mandatory. Even we have worked with Chinese fight masters. I am a film composer. Even they speak in Chinese, we can understand. Okay, they speak in artistical value. So language doesn't matter. Just to make you boost the things, like you are capable of doing the things. I am not a great teacher to teach the things. Only I need to guide you up. That's it up. So only the things, observation has to be changed up. That is what happening inside the classroom. So we can able to do our own. But yes, these all the things matters. So hope we have understood abstract, emphasize, simplicity, unity, radial, biaxial radial, asymmetric, and symmetric. So these are the rules which makes the screen to looks beauty on the back end. On front end, software is working, the people is taking the color, putting over here. But on the back end, the rule are working, which makes the things to get beauty. Credit goes to the rule, not to the software or the person. Yes, they are the vehicle which make them to drive. But on the back end, yes, the rule is working. The fast we understood these rules, with less time, you can able to give some more designs. Fine, so let's move into the rhythm. Rhythm is a musical term. Am I right? So I'm just writing randomly, but I'll pass this Excel sheet also to you. But you need to involve a little more so that you can make your own note. My note is my note. People book is people book, but your note is the thing which is what you have understood, and that will drive you in the practical table. So make your own note and gather the note and filter it up. Fine, let's move on to the next rule, that is called rhythm. Rhythm is a musical term. What we understand in the musical term about the rhythm, like a particular sound is coming after a regular interval of distance of a timing, then we tell like that song's rhythm is fine. Same thing happen in your graphic designing. If anything you take and get it repeat once more, repeat, then it will turn into a design. Design is this is rule. And pattern is a very big example of rhythm. Every time you'll be asked to have a new pattern. So what we got to know? To make a design, nothing to get or just repeat the things, finish, and it will turn into a design. But to make it repeat, it takes more time physically. So computer make it repeat within fraction of second. But ultimately, what you got to know? Repeat makes design, and it is a rule. And that rule makes the design. Hope we have understood the rule called rhythm. Rhythm is this pattern is an example of rhythm. It's not only the things like pattern is an example of rhythm. With rhythm, a lot of design can be created. Repeated arrangement of the things, just to make you know, like so I'm not teaching you the software, just to give you an idea like how does the rhythm can be created. Just we'll be learning the software in a very detailed manner, but just I've taken XYZ and we are asking the software get it repeat. But how to repeat we'll be learning, so no need to get worried what I'm doing. Just to make you know, rhythm makes art. Finish. So what you got to know? Repetition of the design create a art, and within fraction of second the software does it up, because we are using some technology. But what makes the design to happen? The rhythm. So hope we got to know what is called rhythm and what is the importance of the rhythm in every, like paper, gift papers and all things. They required kotta design kavala, kotta design kavala. Then where from the designer brings the design, they create the repetition. And all these are the example of your rhythmic art. So in garment industry, paper industry, gift industry, they start up putting some design and repeat it in one or the other way. Getting pattern is a art format. So people are working only making patterns. So their job continuously to make the patterns. In textile and fashion industry, it works very nicely. Fine, then so let's move into the next last rule and we'll stop the thing. Balance. As if the name the work is so, what is the name? Balance. So nothing to get worried. If you are not getting also, no need to get worried. Just note down this name, that's it up. And start off asking to the Google. In 1 year also you have understood, then it is profitable. It makes a different sense, because still I'm learning, my senior is also learning. It is not an process in 1 day. So mastering will come with time only. We have not started the software, nothing to get worried about it. Just it's a platform we are ready to make the brain ready to go for the design. Then we'll switch to the software. Fine, then so the rule balance. Balance is a physical term. People used to get weight balance, like measure the weight with the equipment in old days, right? And this is called balance. Physically, it is called balance. How does it behaves whenever nowadays what happens, like digital weight machines come, weighing machines comes, but before, like they used to get measure the objects with a instrument that is called balance. What happens with the balance? If the weight becomes heavy, then what happens? It will go down. One side becomes down and the other side will be up. Exactly the same thing happens in your design. If a designer doesn't know how to balance it up, then it will give a imbalance format on the screen, not physically weight, but psychologically weight. So it is an imbalance format of the design. So if a designer should know how to balance the design, and he can able to use either the color, font, or size, but both side has to be equal in one or the other way. Then only it will give a balance impact on the brain of the audience. Sometimes some of the designer master on it knowingly, sometimes unknowingly, and sometimes people fight how it is not happening up, because software everybody knows, but how to make the balance, that make a matter. And it is to be get, it is not in the questionnaire format, and we don't ask to the faculty also, and faculty never speaks all these things. We ask to the training divisions, like teach the software, that is the software. I'm not a marketing guy, just as a technician I'm speaking, and you are a technician, in that way I'm talking about. So as a technician, what to ask, not the software, how to make a design, sir, rather than teach me the software, sir. Yes, that is also a thing. Software makes all the things, but the things to be learned, what is called design. If it is there in the brain, then any software can able to make a magic. Fine, now we got to know, let us take some example to understand the balance a little bigger way. The thing is like a very big wide road is there, and beside to the road, you can find the hoardings are there, some advertise are there. If a person is there standing, a celebrity is standing with a mobile on the one side, and the other side is blank. What happens if a person is moving with a bike? Then his head will be tilting to the right side only, and it is an imbalance format of the design. So to get it balanced, some of the information will be there, or some dot irrelevant to the subject will be there. So the graphic designer is trying to make a balance on the screen, or else it is a one side heavy design. It's not physically heavy, but psychologically it is heavy. Hope we have understood what is called balance, and if not maintained, what will be the result? If it is maintained, then what will be the things? So we have taken an example on the roadside, we have taken an example in the visiting card, we can take example in interior designing. If you go for a showroom or a waiting hall anywhere, then you will find people are sitting over here. It will be heavy the time you enter inside the room. To get it balanced, the other side they will put a picture. So the person who is coming inside this showroom or the waiting hall, he'll not making the eye to go to the left side where people are sitting. It is a heavy format, and it is balanced by the interior designer through a color box here or a flower vase here. So to make us understood, like designing rules are the same, but implementation differ from place to place. The implementation could be interior or web designing or graphic designing or any designing format, but rules make a sense. Hope in a brief manner we have understood what is to be learned further inside the designing world. And in the case, what could be done now? Just take a print screen of all the things, or take a photo snap of the rules, and collect the relevant information from the net and put it on your hard disk. With time, you start up studying up. In the next class, we'll be switching to the next topic, that is the next vital things, that is called color theory. So tomorrow's topic, so it is a very scribble format, just to make down the size. So I've written randomly somewhere on the screen, but I'll providing you this Excel sheet, but still you make your own Excel ready. And tomorrow's topic will be color theory. And we have covered up with the fundamental rule of designing. And it is the skeleton which makes the design to stand, first of all, by the rules of designing. But the appeal, the look and feel will come from the colors. Which color has to be used where? And that is not inside the software. Software always gives, this is red, this is green, this is blue, take whatever you like and put it up. But it is not so. What we can able to collect from the net now regarding the colors, it is there on your screen. Just take a snapshot. These technical terms and their meaning. Because software will talk in a very technical format. And the faster we understood this particular technical meanings, then it will be easy to talk to the software. Complement, analog, primary, secondary, and these are all the things which is expected inside a interview. The time you go for any interview, there will be a session called telephonic technical round, and technical round, then HR round. At that point, it will help you out. They will filter like anything. What is color? They will ask the question. What is Photoshop? They will ask the questions through the telephonic round. So at that point also, it will help you out. So we have understood now two things to be get collected. Rules of designing. What are the things we have learned? It is okay. In the Wikipedia, start collecting few more information and get ready to go for the color theory by finding out this technical terms meaning. Still, we will be making it clear. And anything you want to speak me, then you can start speaking so that conversation can be done. And sometimes in a different flow we are. But yes, now you can able to speak for a while. It is on. If anything you want to ask me technical, then to some extension, whatever the things I know, I will pass the information. We have not started the software, so nothing to get ready. Yeah, tell me. Anyone speaking? Yes. You can speak me like I am just a technician. You are also a technician. I am not a great teacher. Feel comfort, and we will be sharing the knowledge. That's it up. Because it's a different technology, and we need to understand each other first. Then it will be work out proper. That's why I just open a conversation section. Still, if nothing is there, nothing to get worry. And if anything else question is there, so we can able to make it clear in the next class. Then we'll proceed further. And for the timing, what is to be done, I've made it clear. And we'll meet up in the next class. Excel sheet, okay. So on your screen, I can find the Excel sheet. Just take a snapshot or make a note about the rules. Balance. Here, small definitions are written, but you can able to find the more definition from the net. Color theory, yes. Here the color theory technical terms. Gather this information. Just waiting for a while, like either you are noting it up or typing it out or taking a snapshot, do it up. As if in the pipeline will be, we have covered the rule of designing, then we'll be switching to the color theory. Then what is called graphics, that part is there. How many type of graphics, which graphics is used where, then we'll be switching to the software. So next two sessions are there, where we'll be covering up the theory of color and the graphics and their variations. And we'll be knowing what is Photoshop and which type of graphics it is. Then we'll start the software. Till the time, like we can able to make the makeup of the brain, like what is the speed to be get adopted or language to be adapted. Everything will be happening. So no loss will be there in the software side. But these are all the vital things. It's 1.5 year course. Even color theory is a 1 year course itself. And rules of designing is BFA students are learning for 1 year for these all things. So that makes a sense. So on the first class or second class, I'm not putting more strain, but next onwards, we'll be going more in depth also. Is it okay then? So I'm stopping this session. So the screen will be off on your screen now. So I'm stopping the screen. Still, you can always speak me if anything you want to speak. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? थोड़ा नो प्रॉब्लम. बस अभी तो सॉफ्ट अच्छी थे ना, हमें तो पता ही नहीं इंग्लिश जबरदस्ती बोल रहे हैं, हमें हिंदी आता है. बस ऑब्जर्व करो. और ये तो नोट्स आप लेके जा सकते हो, मतलब पेन ड्राइव में लेके आते हो. अभी उनको अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं, देखते हैं उसको कुछ करेंगे. मतलब ये तो अभी अलाउ नहीं करते हैं. पर जो भी है आपको डाउट है मैं ठीक है ना, पर हमें थोड़ा बहुत एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा. It's okay then. We are ending this session. Bye everybody. We'll be meeting tomorrow at same 5 o'clock. Bye bye.